Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to bend objects using Simple Deform Modifier. Let's get started. We have added this skate cube on the x-axis to the scene. Select your object, then go add a modifier. Let's add Simple Deform Modifier like this. Not twisted, this time I'm gonna be trying to bend this object, so let's select the bend object as shown here. Shift A, let's add an empty plane axis like this at the center over here. Select your object, go back here, let's select that, empty. In this case, let's choose which axis should the object bend around. Here I changed the deform type to bend and set the angle to 180, for example, as shown here. I also changed it to Z direction like this, and just you can see the bending. It's pretty amazing. And here you can change also the limit of the bending, and it's pretty amazing. You can play around. In order to create the shape you want, like this. And that's the same thing in the other direction. Can use this amazing tool in order to create whatever you want. You can change also the angle, rotate the angle like this. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.